Blessed, blessed, blessed. This is Mr. Vegas. I want to send this message to the people that support predators, like rapists and child. You do not have the power to tell us when to stop talking about sexual predators. You do not have the power to tell us when to stop talking about anyone that was convicted child or raping a man or a woman. You lost that power. You lost that power when you decided that you were going to stand with sexual predators. And I want to point something out. Decent people, decent human beings, learn from what's going on. Check your circles. Check your circles and see if your friends, your church sisters, your teachers, your people the people that work in your office, the people that you leave your children with, check their circles and see who they are supporting. A lot of you like to send your children to do sleepovers. Check who you're sending your children to. You got to be careful. Learn from what's going on. Don't get caught up with the drama and the gossip and the he say, she say. But check your circles, because a lot of you like to send your children for sleepover over auntie and over church sisters and over grandma and over my bestie. Check your circles, because if they are online defending, standing with a sexual predator that was convicted of molesting a child, what they gonna say to you when your child come to you and say, Mama, such and such me when I was over auntie such and such, or when I was over grandma, or when I was over your friend. Learn from this. Back to the predator supporters. If we want to get up as early as 5 a.m. and speak against sexual predators, you do not have the power to tell us when to sign off. So all you that come in on my page talk about something else. You do not have that power. You lost that power to even speak to me. You see? Big up on yourself.